Think SEO is a magic wand for instant success and top rankings? It's time to debunk some myths and set the record straight. Before I tell you, don't forget to click that plus button, like and save this video so you can come back to it when you need it. Here are 3 things that SEO will not do for you. Number 1, give you instant results. SEO isn't a quick fix. It can take weeks or even months to see significant results from your efforts. If you're looking for immediate traffic, you might want to consider other strategies like pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Number 2, guarantee rankings. No matter how well you optimize your content, SEO can't guarantee that you'll rank first on search engines. Search engine algorithms take into account a wide range of factors, many of which are outside of your control. Number 3, replace quality content. SEO can help your content be found, but it can't make poor content good. Quality, engaging content is king, and no amount of optimization can replace this. Users want to read content that is helpful, interesting, and valuable. If your content doesn't meet these criteria, no amount of SEO will make it successful. And that's a wrap on the reality of SEO. Remember, it's a tool, not a magic trick. But with patience and strategy, it can significantly boost your online presence. Stay tuned for more myth-busting insights.